guys might look crazy, but you guys asked for it, so you ask and y'all shall receive.
And when we're making love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get heatless curls. There's so many ways that you guys can get heatless curls. This is my favorite way to do so, and you can like change it to how you want yours to look. So pretty much I use socks. Yeah, socks. So you're going to want to brush your hair, of course. Mine's already pretty brushed, pretty straight. So this is the thing. You can customize it to however you like. If you like tighter curls, you can get more socks. If you like looser curls, you can get less socks. So I get 2 socks, and then I get some little elastics, some little rubber bands, some ponytails, whatever you call them. You need 2 for each sock, so I'm only using 2, so I'm going to need 4, you know? The math is mathing, okay? You can like oil your hair, you can put whatever you want to your hair. I washed my hair today, so it has like oil already. Separate it into how many socks you have. So I parted mine into 2. And then you're gonna wanna get a ponytail. And you're gonna get the sock and the ponytail. And you're just gonna tie the sock to your hair. I personally like it way at the top because this curl starts from the top. And don't worry if it's not like high enough, you can fix that. So I have 2 sections. Okay, I'm trying to go really into depth with you guys on how I do it. I get like the sock and I separate them, and then I like pull it up, if that makes sense, so it can like really hit the root. I tried to teach my mom how to do this. This is where she messes up a lot. Pretty much you're gonna want to wrap the hair around the sock. Don't move the sock. You have to keep the sock in place and just move the hair around it. Sus, okay? Just move the hair and only the hair. Okay, and then once you reach the bottom, you're gonna get another ponytail and you're gonna wrap your hair again. You're gonna tie it again. This is so that it doesn't loosen up. Okay, now if you let it go, this will eventually like loosen up, you know, get like that or whatever, and you do not want that to happen because then the curl isn't as tight as it should be or it would be. So if that happens, you can just twist it to see how it's tight again. And then what I like to do so that it doesn't do that thing, see what I like to do to combat that is I twist it. Yeah, I used to do like 5 socks because I like tight curls, but I've been doing it with 2 and they've been coming out so nicely. But anyways, you just go like this, and then it's better to get like long socks because then you can do what I'm doing. And through here you see like a little hole. You're gonna want to pull the sock through the hole and then like pull it so it can be tight. You might think it's not comfortable to sleep in, but you get used to it and it's actually not that uncomfortable. You know, you're gonna do the same to the other side. I can do this with my eyes closed, y'all. That's how easy this is. And it doesn't even take long to do. It just depends on the amount of socks that you use. Just make sure that the hair is really like tightly wrapped around the sock. So that is the look. It kind of look like little space buns in a way, so it's not too bad. This is how you're gonna go to sleep in. I really like heatless curls because you can style your hair without having to use heat, of course, so without really damaging your hair. So on the days where you don't want to use heat and want to give your hair a little break, this is amazing to do. The only con of it, of any heatless curls, is that it may not last a long time. Yeah, this is how you're gonna go to sleep looking like. I'm gonna update you guys in the morning just to show you guys how it comes out. Yeah, I'll be back when I wake up. You also don't have to worry about these falling out while you sleep. It doesn't matter how messy a sleeper you are, because I'm a messy sleeper and these are really tightly compacted, so it's not gonna fall out, trust me.
Oh my god! What is that?
So that's this is the final look. This is how the sock curls turned out. I love them so much. You can tell that with only 2 socks I was able to get this much. And I feel like these are like the perfect amount of waves for like a casual day, anything, not too much. This is the back view of it. If you guys have any more video suggestions, please let me know and I'll film them for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you guys have any questions about anything, comment them down below and I'll be sure to explain them to you and give you guys a response. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below any other video suggestions that you want. Take a look at my other YouTube videos if you guys like, and subscribe to my social media. I'm active on there. And if you guys try these out, let me know and tag me because I want to see how they turned out for you guys. These are literally the easiest curls and they come out nice every single time. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.